They sat cause they in the bowl. But fish in the bowl is lucky. They in forever so fish. One day when the boss get hungry, guess who gon' be on the plate? Oh no! Under the sea. Under the sea. Nobody feed us fry us and eat us in fricassee. We what the land folks love to cook. Under the sea, we off the hook. We got no troubles. Life is the bubbles under the sea. Watch this. The dudes play the flute, they can't play the harp. The place play the bass and they sounding sharp. The bass play the brass, the drum play the drum. The flute is the duke of soul. Yeah, the ring he can play the lick. On his ring they found conquer out the blackfish. He seen the smell and the spread. They know where he's at. And all that blowfish blow. Disturbs me to see you, Gaston, looking so down in the dumps. Every guy here loved to be you, Gaston, even when taking your lumps. There's no man in town as admired as you. You're everyone's favorite guy. Everyone's awed and inspired by you, and it's not very hard to see why. No one's next as incredibly thick as Gaston. There's no man in town if it's manly. Perfect if you're very gone. You can ask any Tom, Dick, or Stanley, and they'll tell you whose team they prefer to be on. Who breaks? Who's much more than a sum of his parts like Gaston? His name's G-A-S-T. I believe there's another T. It just occurred to me that I'm illiterate and I've never actually had to spell it out loud before.